All right, a quick glance at the SPY before we go into the watch list for Monday, February 27th. We're flagging up here near recent highs. Very, very, very strong market. IWM, the small cap ETF, looked like it was rolling over and right back up, holding on really well too. So we can go right into the watch list. Restoration Hardware, RH. Maybe a continuation on Monday. It certainly needs to be on watch all week. 14 million shares traded on Friday. Both, I called this long over the early high. Less than 5 minutes in, I said if it got over 29.15, I like it long. And man, it ripped to to 33. Huge percentage gainer there. Closing pretty strong, so maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. We'll see. VUZI, nice little volume spike on Friday, and closing near like I don't know 2-week high. Might have a follow-through day on Monday. PULM. Had a nice day on Thursday, and then on Friday kind of did a reversal, closing below its open. But let's watch that one all next week. I feel like it needs to come in a little more, but we'll see. Avon, AVP, nice little volume spike, and I think they had insider buy news on Friday and closed really strong, so that might have more follow-through in that bounce. PRKR had this big spike back here, and then straight sideways, really, but a nice little volume spike on Friday. Let's watch that one. It's got great support at the $2 area. Might have a follow-through day on Monday. EYEG had the big pop, lower high, lower high, lower high, but closing at its highs, potential long on Monday. MBOT had the gap up, had a huge trade in this one on Wednesday, then Thursday and Friday is lower. Nice narrow range on Friday. Watching for a bounce on Monday. ZSAN had a nice bounce on Friday. It's my favorite one going into today, and going into Friday, sorry, and I never found a trade in it. But I do like how strong it was, so maybe a red to green in that one on Monday. PSIX found support at the 8-day, kind of sitting right at a 2-day high. Let's watch that for a potential long after that big pop about 5 sessions ago. CUR had this big pop back here, a big secondary pop with a lower high here, and it's really coiling and put in a green candle on Friday. So this one looks pretty good for a potential long. JAGX kind of flagging at these, the high back here was $1.23, $1.24 here, $1.23 here. So if this gets up over maybe $1.25, this one could certainly break out. That's JAGX. And then lastly, I have GALT, which had this big spike here, secondary spike, and it's holding up pretty well. Looks good on 15-minute candles over $1.90. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. We'll add some gappers in the morning before the market opens on Monday as well. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see everybody on Monday.